What's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Mario the Fool in this bitch, you feel me? Coming at y'all niggas with a little reaction to these mukbang ass niggas. These niggas be on here eating like these niggas be on here tripping, cuz. Nigga eating like they ain't never ate before. Niggas be acting like they starving and shit. Nigga like, I gotta show y'all
challenge
this shit.
for all of you. Go to every computer in your house, your mom's, your dad's, your sister, your brother's computer.
Shit nasty as hell.
It's dripping all over the place. It's your
fault.
Look
at all that fucking food, my nigga. This nigga already got me finna turn the video off, my nigga. Bro, look at all this food, my nigga. This nigga has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mountains of fries, my nigga. You have, nigga, that's one nigga. There's 3 cups right there, and there's a cup of fries right there where that bitten off burger is, and that's a cup of fries right there where that full burger is. Then you got a pot of cheese in the middle of your shit. Hold on, I just clicked up the video, my nigga. Hold on. What the fuck? I just fucked up. But no, bro. Like,
it's your fault.
Then you finna stuff your face. Like, nigga, that shit is nasty. Nobody eats cheese like that. Too much cheese makes me throw up, bro. Like just the taste of cheese. That shit is not good. Like, you just sitting there eating cheese, like hella cheese. And then it's store-bought cheese, and I know it is. Like, that shit's not good like that. And then you're stuffing your face. You fat bitch. You're gonna have an aneurysm, bitch.
That is so good.
No, it's not. That is disgusting.
I'm being greedy with the food.
You're, I don't listen to your breath. Stink.
Broadway, sign me up.
Nigga, why are you stuffing your mouth? It's like you can eat this shit, but why are you eating like you haven't eaten in years? You just had a meal last night. I know you did, nigga. A whole meal. At least 3 or 4 serving sizes of a whole meal. What the fuck is that? What is that? Bro, this bitch just put out a block of meat. And then you just got sausages sitting right here. You got links, big ass links of sausages. And you finna eat all this shit. I know she is. But what is this big ass block of meat? And you dipped it in cheese. That shit looks terrible. That shit's not good. It's meat, and you're dipping it in cheese. Oh yeah, this bitch is she's a glizzy gobbler. She sucks dick for a living. Look at this shit. Look at her! She gobbling that motherfucker. 2 of them. Look at this bitch, bro. Bro, are you dead ass? Oh, hell no. That's not a good look. You're on the internet stuffing your mouth. Okay, I ain't gonna lie. That's goated meal. Indian food, Jamaican food, where you eat with your hands and shit, that is goated meal. Well, goddamn. She got too much chicken on that damn plate. I wouldn't have ate on her. I would have got 2 pieces of chicken and some rice. And a couple pieces of them breads. These motherfuckers don't give a fuck about serving size, nigga. I get full too fast. Like, I take a few bites of something, I'm already full. Like. That shit look good as hell, though. Oh, fuck with that. I like Indian food and shit where you just, you get the rice, you fucking mixing it up and all the little ingredients in the plate, and you get the smacking on that shit. That shit good as hell. Bro, I will go give you some fucking, some butter chicken tomorrow. Bro, what is up with y'all niggas dipping these burgers in cheese? That shit don't taste good. You're dipping bread, meat, lettuce, tomatoes, mustard, ketchup, more cheese into cheese. Ew. And then wipe your fucking mouth. Bro, I will start my own mukbang channel, my nigga. I'm gonna get on there, nigga, you feel me, eating like a fucking regular person. And y'all gonna watch that shit too. Nigga, like, niggas should not have to do all this extra shit just to get some views on YouTube. Like, why are you eating like this? Nigga, you got cheese in your glasses! What are you doing? That shit's not that good, my nigga. Wipe your face. Bro, this shit is pissing me off, bro. Cause it's like, why are you eating like that? What the fuck is that? Nigga, your glass is crooked as hell. Why is this nigga glass so crooked? Bro, you do not have to stuff your face like this. It's not necessary. Literally, like, you do not have to stuff your face like this, my nigga. And it's like, this shit kind of making me hungry, but finna throw up at the same time. Like, you're eating a whole family-sized pot of food. Okay, she got a little regular meal, I guess. Wipe your fucking face. I don't understand why y'all eat so messy. Wipe your fucking face. Like, I hate eating messy. Like, I hate getting shit around my mouth on my fans and shit. Like, I be trying to eat like a fucking regular person. Or I eat like I got some sense, because I don't like getting dirty when I eat. Maybe feel like a fat ass nigga. I'm already fat, cuz. Nobody able, nigga, you sitting there eating this shit. Nigga, public place, nigga. Chowing down, nigga. Fucking sauce on your shirt and shit. Hell no, bro. I'm finna sit there and eat like a regular person, bro. That ass looks sick as hell.
My channel.
God damn.
So good. This king crab leg and Alfredo sauce. Oh my god.
Yeah, I can always see these niggas. They always dipping something in
That's how I
white
cook
sauce.
this lobster
White
tail,
sauce,
right?
Alfredo sauce. I mean, that's probably good as hell. I don't know. But wipe your fucking mouth.
Wow. I'm making it better, guys.
Nigga, ain't no more meat on the. What the fuck are you eating? Bro, if that is cheese that this nigga put green food dye in, bro, I swear to God, bro. What are you eating? This nigga by himself. Who is this weirdo ass nigga, bro? What are you eating, bro? Like, he always making a fucking mess. You got fucking. What are you eating, bro? This is bad combo. This nigga's eating eggs. I mean, green eggs and ham, my nigga. Like, that shit is not that good, bro. It's not. It's literally not, my nigga. You eat that shit every day. You eat burgers, fries all the time, my nigga. That shit's not that good, bro.
Ow.
What is this, my nigga? What is this? Bro, do you look at this scene? Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Sit and scan and analyze. This nigga has a large drink, 2 fucking boxes of chicken shits, fucking chicken fries and nuggets, a big ass bowl of sauce, barbecue sauce with the sauce built in the barbecue sauce, a big ass burger, a big ass pot of onion rings, and a fucking and a big ass thing of fries. Bro, this nigga's gonna die. Like, no, real shit though. Like, look at this nigga, bro. He looks like a damn fish. You're gonna die. I'm sorry. But yeah, you're gonna have a lot of health problems, and you're only probably, this nigga only like 20 something.
This is what I have to look at every day.
In your 30s. Look at this fat ass nigga, bro. Look at this fat bitch! Oh, hell no, nigga. And then you got the sauce. Like, look at this shit. Why do these niggas have to be so messy with this shit? Okay, I ain't gonna lie, that look good. That is Mexican food. You dip Mexican food in cheese. You can dip a burrito in cheese. You don't dip no fucking burger in no bowl of cheese. Or don't dip no motherfucking crab legs in no cheese. That's what I hate seeing. Stop dipping crab legs in cheese. That shit is nasty, bro. Like, why are you dipping crab legs in cheese? That shit is gross. I'm not gonna lie to you, my nigga. But I don't know, like, that cheese, I don't like, these niggas love eating cheese. Like, cheese gets so nasty after a little while. Like a big glob of cheese and you keep putting it in your mouth, bro. Like, you're gonna be on the shitter later and you're gonna throw up, man. Like, if I do that shit, I'm gonna sit there and then throw over myself every time. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No. Oh fuck no. She dipped a pickle in cheese, bro. Oh fuck no. Bro, oh fuck no. Bro, what is this combination? You got seafood, corn, and pickles and cheese. What can I say? It's delicious. That shit is not good, bro. You're dipping a fucking vinegarized cucumber with cheese. I know your breath fucking stink. Yeah, that shit don't taste right. You could have put some tahini on that shit or something. You put cheese on it. It is gooey. Ew, my stomach, bro. Oh, hell no, my nigga. Like, you know that shit is not good, and you sitting there smacking that shit. And she dipped the crab leg in cheese. And then you don't even want to take... Bro. I can't... Like, why do you have to eat so messy, bro? Yeah, these niggas be on some shit, Patch. That's the end of this video, my nigga. I don't know what the fuck people be having going on. Niggas that did shit. Niggas that did anything and anything. Like, like, bro, fuck no, my nigga. Comment down below and like the video and share. Tell me what y'all want me to react to next. I'm out this bitch. Peace.